Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tapping it once, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can set up one-time limit data, you can set it to turn off automatically when nobody is connected. You can also expand its compatibility, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.